Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching food names in Sotho. Nama ya kgomo. Nama ya kgomo. Nama ya kgomo means beef. Nama ya nku. Nama ya nku. Nama ya nku means lamb. Nama ya kulube. Nama ya kulube. Nama ya kulube means pork. Kapi. Kapi. Kapi means fish. Deer. Deer. Deer means tea. Coffee. Coffee. Coffee means coffee. Kilapile. Kilapile. Kilapile means I am hungry. Kinyorilwe. Kinyorilwe. Kinyorilwe means I'm thirsty. Ki kgotsofetse. Ki kgotsofetse. Ki kgotsofetse means I'm satisfied. Miroho. Miroho. Miroho means vegetables. Saladi. Saladi. Salad means salad. Sino. Sino. Sino means drink. Biri. Biri. Biri means beer. Dijo tsa mantsibuya. Dijo tsa mantsibuya. Dijo tsa mantsibuya means dinner. Sineke. Sineke. Sineke means snack. Nama. Nama. Nama means meat. Nama ya kgoho. Nama ya kgoho. Nama ya kgoho means chicken meat. Lebese. Lebese. Lebese means milk. Bohobe. Bohobe. Bohobe means bread. Dijo tsa hoseng. Dijo tsa hoseng. Dijo tsa hoseng means breakfast. Dijo tsa motsheare. Dijo tsa motsheare. Dijo tsa motsheare means lunch. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.